quick. Alright guys, go ahead and do a sport mode here, and you can see we're gonna go ahead and put the light on. And we're gonna go ahead and see what this guy can do. Woohoo! Alright, now let's go ahead and put it back this way because I have it. Okay, so, and then if you want to go and make it brighter, you can make it bright the daylight. So let's see. All right, flying in extreme wind in sport mode. I mean, it's dark, you guys can see. I think I still have the light on there. Yeah, I do have it. Woo! It's bright, even though it has a single light. Surprisingly. Alright. Oh man, it's all like lightning over there right now. You guys can see. I probably got the hyperlapse over there, and it's awesome. Woo! Sport mode. This thing's quick. Look at that. Look at this, man. Insane flying in extreme wind. Alright, let's go ahead and look what's in the water. Flying low, flying low. Woo! Alright. Let's go on this way.
Hello guys, and I also got approached by this two beautiful couple, and she actually a Dji Mavic AiR pilot. Wow, awesome. So it's so cool, and she noticed that I'm flying my UFO in sport mode.
It's a Mavic AiR 2. Mavic AiR 2. Yeah. Yeah, I used to have the Air. It's almost the same thing, it's just the newer model. Yeah. You know, to be honest with you, a lot of people think the older one is actually faster, but to be honest with you, I think the newer one is just more quieter, and you know, it's about, I would say, neck to neck, because the Mavic AiR is a little bit smaller too. So you know. Yeah, I have it in a sport mode. I'm just, yeah, yeah, I'm flying it right now. I'm just, yeah. Yeah, that's what I did earlier.
Following you?
Yeah.